Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Mercusys ME70X AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 Wi-Fi range extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Mercusys ME70X AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 range extender is a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 extender that boosts your router's signal up to 1,800 megabits per second. Firstly, unbox the extender box. Inside the Mercusys ME70X AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 range extender box, you will typically find the ME70X Wi-Fi range extender device and a quick installation guide to help you set up the extender easily. These are the main items included so you can plug in the extender and start extending your Wi-Fi network right away. Now plug the ME70X extender into a wall power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the power LED to turn solid. This means the extender is ready for setup. On your phone, laptop, or PC, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the default Wi-Fi network of the extender. It's named something like Mercusys_RE_XXXX. No password is needed at this stage. Launch Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type http://mwlogin.net and press enter. If this doesn't work, try using the IP address 192.168.0.254 instead. You'll be asked to create a login password for extender settings. Type your desired password twice and click Let's Get Started. This is not your Wi-Fi password, but one to access the extender's settings. The extender will now search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. A list of available networks will appear. Select your main router Wi-Fi network, SSID. Click Next. Enter your Wi-Fi password for both bands. You can choose to keep the same SSID as your main router or add a suffix like _EXT to identify extended networks, recommended. Click Next to continue. The extender will apply settings and connect to your router. After 30 seconds, a success page appears saying Setup Complete. Unplug and move the extender midway between your router and the weak zone. Plug it in and wait 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure the signal LED is green or orange for a reliable connection. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.